We have 3 factories around the world. We have one factory in Glasgow, UK, another factory in Paso, USA, and one factory in Brasília, the capital of Brazil. First factory we have was in the UK, and then we grow a lot because we are not selling products, we are selling solutions. So we found that the better way to reach our clients is giving them solutions, better solutions. We are protecting lives. So it's pointless to sell only a product. And then, as the company grew in the UK, we decided to go to a big market, in which is the USA. So USA, we grow a lot as well, but basically manufacturing hard armor plates. And then 4 years ago, we decided to come to Brazil, in which it's another huge market. So in Brazil, we are very specialized on making ballistics vests, soft armor panels. USA, it's specialized on making hard armor defense, body armor, helmets, shields and plates. And the UK, our base is more focused on robots, technologies, drones, body cams. We are here in front of the Interceptor. This robot was made for bomb disposals. So in Brazil, we have a department in which they are very specialized on bomb, in which it's called BOP. So whenever they have a threat for bombs, they don't have to send a human to go there and see what is happening. We doesn't know if it's a bomb or something. So this robot have all of the movements that can go inside an airplane. He can open doors, he can break glasses, he can check what is inside a car. We have 8 cameras around the robots. So the capability of these robots to clean a bomb threat scene is really, really impressive. Brazil doesn't have a company that manufactures this product. And we are doing something very, very special for Brazil. We are bringing these robots to be assembled in Brazil. We are the first company in this country able to assemble robots, EOD robots for Brazilian clients. Not only Brazilian, sorry, for the South America clients. So right now we have more than 10 important departments willing to buy these robots from us. We are 100% able to manufacture every level of protection. In Brasília, for instance, we have lots of policies that's the main job is working for in the streets. So the threat is pistols, 9mm and .4 caliber. So this vest requires a technology of protection level 3A. We can do that easily with different type of weights. We have this manufacturing in the US, in which we are currently manufacturing level 3 plus, and also the level 4, plates level 4.